Okay, Dylan. Which one do you want to open first? These ones are yours. These ones are Riley's. No, no, no. Okay.
You have the biggest pile and you go for Riley.
I'll help. Okay. Can you grab that and pull? Grab it and pull like that. Can you open?
No, help him figure it out.
Can you do it? Come here. Grab it out of the paper. Can you pull it? Good.
Yeah!
Keep going. Keep ripping.
Dylan, you're so lucky you get diapers.
Keep ripping.
We wouldn't mind getting some diapers for Christmas. That'd be alright, actually.
Okay.
Hannah gives up.
Yeah. You can try again at the next one. Okay, Dylan.
Hey Dylan, pull it out.
Can you pull it?
Hannah, this is his Christmas.
I'm sorry. I'm so excited.
Yeah. What is that?
A giant elephant!
An elephant!
Wow, look, it's your size!
Wow.
Cool, huh?
Like, okay, next one.
Okay. Dylan, grab that.
There's nothing else in there.
We'll move it. Okay, Dylan.
Dylan.
Wow, Dylan.
Bless you,
Alright.
Riley.
Do you want to open this one now? Can you open it?
Let him do it, Hannah.
Sorry. Compare it. We're going.
It's okay if you leave the price on there.
Yeah, he can't read it.
And yet you buy him a book. Let him open it.
Okay. Grab that. The doggy coat boy.
Yeah.
Yay!
Look.
That spot?
Yeah.
Spot's big ring.
Okay. We'll do that one last. I'll just open these ones. Let's put these down.
No, don't put it in there.
Well, pull it open. You gotta pull.
You'll get to it eventually.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah!
Do you want it?
I think it's too heavy for him today.
No, he was carrying it around yesterday.
No,
Or a couple days ago.
So excited he's being upset.
Wow.
You guys are so gonna regret that one.
It's so funny.
As long as he's not screaming in the car and that's going off, it's fine
Yeah,
with me.
that's better than
Okay.
screaming. We're taking that on our trip, not just in the car, but leaving it in the
I was
car.
about to say, yeah! Alright, at least
Okay, Riley, your turn.
yawning.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm bored.
Dylan, that one was from Riley. Riley, this one's from Dylan. She picked it out special for you.
Have him help.
Good
Yeah!
Okay, ready, Riley? Ow. Look what Dylan got you, Riley.
Oh.
What is it?
It's a teddy bear.
Dylan picked it out for him. Got it. I guess we'll open them together. Look, it's Chris and Hannah.
Wow.
And Dylan and Riley.
Wow.
So now they'll be in our village.
He's back.
Good
Good
job,
You
Dylan.
just gotta kneel like him and you can get it.
Oh yeah, show Papa.
Keep going.
Okay. No, 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 Mom.
We'll
No,
go over there.
no. Stay.
Over
Really,
there.
it's all right. I'm fine, Mom. Thank you.
Wow,
Has
Dylan.
to do like Buddy.
Little pieces
off.
that are touched.
What is it?
Wow.
looking at me. What else is in here? Oh, put back in.
He's like, no, I didn't want jammies. I wanted toys.
Well, just a minute. You
got
can
Riley's?
have that. Here's Riley's. Open Riley's, okay? Open that for Riley. Here's for Riley.
Can you open it?
Can we help you? Hi, sweetheart. I know you doing. Hello. These are for you. And they're cute. Just like you. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Too sweet. Sweet. Oh. Oh. Can you pull them out?
Wow,
Let me help you.
look.
Pull them. There.
Wow.
That's for Riley. Give them
Hold
to
them
Riley. Oh, here you go, Riley. Here, these Riley's new jammies. Oh, see? It's Dylan's new jammies.
It's Dylan's jammies. Right there.
Look here. Here.
Maybe he's not excited because it's done.
Yeah. Here.
You can open another one. Dylan, here. No.
Whatever you want. Go
Sit
crazy.
down.
There.
Here, this one isn't.
Tear them apart.
Pull it out. Pull it out, sweetheart.
Buddy.
Mwah.
Oh, yay.
Merry Christmas, Dylan.
Yay! Very nice.
Yay.
Here. Open this one. It doesn't open.
You know, I
Here you
got
go.
thinking
Look.
about that, putting
Look.
bows on them.
Look.
They're hard to get off. It's okay.
Hi, Dylan.
Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab
Now
it.
you're gonna think this is.
Nope. Just grab his
You're
ear.
gonna think this is your little fella. There's a
Oh, that's fine. Kids love those.
There's a nice ulterior motive to this.
Because Riley has
Oh.
Because I bought Riley one.
Yeah.
And then I thought, if I buy Riley one, he'll take it
Oh.
away from Riley and he'll want one. So I bought 2 of them.
one. And Dylan loves elephants.
Okay, what's in this one?
I knew it was kind of on the baby side.
That's okay.
Open it, I think.
Put it right here. Open this one.
Dylan got a giant elephant bigger than him for Christmas.
Whoa. I have a big teddy bear, but I'm not sure where he is either.
Come on, you have a stronger grip than that.
Is it taped?
I don't know what this is.
I do. I can see.
Oh, that's
Ah,
right.
no, grab it. Ah.
Whoa.
Oh!
Wow.
Grandpa likes to stick those on your body.
They
They stick.
The snap blocks or whatever.
Yeah.
can't open.
Yay.
2 now.
Awesome.
Yeah. Those are ours. Thank you.
Where did the 2 lightsabers come from?
What?
Who are the 2 lightsabers?
So we didn't buy one.
They're both for him? Daddy. Oh, then he has 3. Maybe I have one too. Oh, you have all kinds.
I made 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to open Riley?